Hi friends, வணக்கம். How are you? எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? என்னடா இப்படி மாறிட்டான் பார்க்குறீங்களா? இதோ இங்கே இருக்கேன். Hello, hi. So hope you all guys are doing fine. So it's been too long. I'm using this Sunsun light. Actually, இது தெரியும் 6 feet South American tank. I'm using this is Sunsun ADS 900E or 900C, 900E I guess. Pretty old actually. So I thought of replacing it. So I was looking into market. So which one will be the apt replacement for this? And actually, partner, this light is just 3 feet. So it's sufficient for almost 6 feet. But I wanted to go with this WGRB as now it is they're boosting up in the market, GRB lights, WGRB lights. Anyways, I'm not going to keep any of the plants here. But I feel this light is too strong. And as I have most of the South Americans like Manakapurs and True Parrots, they don't like very intense light. So I thought let me go with the GRB light, which does have the brightness reduce capability, so that we can change it moderately. This is too high for this tank according to the setup and according to the fishes. They are not so convenient. So I thought let me change this. So what I thought was going with the new brand that is called Neo Helios. So பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மார்க்கெட்டே ரொம்ப ப்ராப்ளமாக இருக்குது ஆக்சுவலாக. Too much of products coming in like for 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet tank. So I thought let me go with the 4 feet tank. So here it is. Let me show you upload for the model D1000 full spectrum. So this light itself, it comes with the almost of 120 cm. That is the unit of the light is 1200 centimeter. So almost 4 feet. So I think 4 feet will be more sufficient than for this 6 feet tank. So with hanging pannanom, anyways it comes along with the clamps and other stuff. So let us unbox and see how well it is built actually. So build quality எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாம், clamps ஓட quality எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாம். So anyways I'm going to hang it here. Still people who doesn't want to hang it or who want to keep it on the tank, let me show how does it look once I unbox it. So I'm going to skip the unboxing part. I'm going to unbox it, test it, then let's see the brightness capacity. இதோட brightness already பார்த்தாங்க எப்படி இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஸோ let us see இதோட brightness ஓட இம்பேக்ட் இது ஓட பிரைட்டாக இருக்குது, இதோட பிரைட் வருதா இதோட கம்மி இருக்கான்னு. பட் ஐ எம் பிஃபோர் கெட்டிங் இன் டு இட் ஐ எம் டேம் ஷூர் இதோட கம்மியாக தான் இருக்கும்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன். பிகாஸ் தட் இஸ் Sunsun, this is XP Neo ES. I think it will beat it. Sunsun will beat it very easily. Still my guess. Anyways, let us check by placing it either way. Meeting you after the unboxing. So unboxing is done. So you can see the light housed it here. So actually I don't have any supporting us exactly 4 feet. So I made it stand. If you can see, this is the profile clamps which comes along with it. This looks neat, made of crystal clear acrylic. Looks neat and good too. This comes with the adjustment screws as many of the models. I mean same. I mean if you go for Sunsun, RS, any brand, it will be there. If you can see this aluminum what do you call it, profiles, this is too thin actually. I think even if I fit it in the tank, it will be wobbling, that's for sure. Because I still am sure about Sunsun, I have still on Sunsun, they come with some thick profile. Anyways, it's not so needed, but still it could have made a good thickness. But as the light profile is too slim, they want the profiles to go inside here, so they don't want to make the light very bulkier as it's a very slim version. So that's the reason they would have done it. So that's anyways, that's my opinion. That doesn't serve such much purpose. Then comes to the main light unit. If you can see, it may look like it is made of aluminum and it may sound so, but definitely not aluminum. I'm not sure, I'm not able to make with it because aluminum cannot be so light. If the entire unit is made with thin aluminum too, any thin frame aluminum too, it's too lightweight. And again, it's too lightweight. I mean, I can easily detect it's not made of aluminum, but some sort of metal or plastic coated metal maybe, not sure, but it's too thin. If you can see side by side, this is Sunsun and this is Neo Helios. You can see almost 5 to 6 mm. Sunsun is more. Sunsun we can say it's like an 12 mm and Neo is around 8 to 10 mm. It's not much difference, not much of slim version, but yes, as name suggests, it is slim version. So this is the comparison of the build quality and how it is made. Drivers are placed here. And actually the power wattage is they claim it as 48 watts, and the length of the unit can be extended to 140 centimeter. As I said, the length of the unit itself is 120 centimeter, and the 20 centimeter I think 10 centimeter on either side can be increased. So totally 140 centimeter. That means 4 to 4.5 feet tanks can be housed it if you use the clamp. If you're gonna go for hanging, yes, it can definitely serve the purpose of 6 feet, I guess. So now let us get into the main topic of the diffusion. How well it gets diffused. And diffusion is nothing but the light perforation. So that's the reason I've kept the light at both at the same height. So Sunsun, you can see how bright it is pitching in. To make it very clear, I'm going to switch off all the lights in this room so that we'll be very sure what's the intensity. So I think only Sunsun is housed right here. So let us switch off Sunsun now. So let me switch off the room light too. So let's switch on the Sunsun once. So to see the actual comparison. So this is Sunsun. So total room is dark. You can see how bright it is getting illuminated, and that it is pretty old, almost 3 years old unit. Still got that solid power. So let us go to. So now I'm going to switch on the Neo EOS. Actually, it got the touch sensitive buttons. So this is the Neo EOS. The power is good. So anyways, I think you may complain that I have kept it one side of the tank. So let me take it to the middle of the tank. Even if you see now, the light diffusion is definitely not up to the mark of Sunsun. Definitely not. I think you can able to see the brightness. But the lightness presents somewhat soothing effect and calm effect. Not too much of intensity where fishes may be under a lot of stress. It seems cool. I like it actually. I like the effect of it is giving actually the full spectrum light. So it comes with 2 settings actually. Setting sends nothing but I think this is the dim version, or they call it like moonlight version. I think I'm going to prefer this light for this actually, because this is what I wanted this tank. Minimal exposure of the light, not too much bright always, because definitely fishes will be going under stress when I expose them to such a strong light. So I think this is the main feature why I opted this. So this has 2 settings. This is the moonlight off, and this is the full bright. And I think there also another setting where if you long press, it's gonna illuminate, but it's not working, I believe. So anyways, this is the 3 settings right now. This is off, moonlight, full power, guys. I liked it, but definitely cannot match the power of Sunsun. Sunsun being just 28 watts, you could see the power of it, and this is being 48 watts. Power is quite less, but still I would prefer, because of the not much brightest exposure which gives the tank an artificial look. I don't want that. Anyways, also it gives the what do you say that as it is full spectrum, if in future if I'm going to house any of the plants here, maybe it may be benefit from that. So that's it, guys. If you have any clarification, any doubt on this, especially you can. Coming to price point, sorry, I forgot to mention. Coming to price point, I think it starts from 4,000 in the market. Some retailers suggest 4,000, some suggest 4,500. In online it is around 4,500, 4,800 some places. I think it's better to reach any of the shops and buy it. You may get it around 4,380 something. If you have a good bargain, you may also get at 3.8. I mean 3.8K. So it's up to you. So choose the best place to buy it. That's it, guys. Wrapping up, and I have this at very special price. If you're interested, you can ping me in this. I do have it this in very less price, whichever I quoted. So if you're interested, just ping me in the comments. I'll get back to you. That's it, side. Signing off from here. If you have any doubts, any comments on this slide, please do comment. I'll be very much obliged to respond to your answers. That's it, guys. Signing off. Have a nice day. Bye.